Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video. What we have for today's video, it is this box here. This is the Fabfitfun mystery bundle for, I want to say it's the edit sale. I already went ahead and ripped the tape open. I have not looked at what's inside. But for those of you that don't know about the mystery bundle, is usually something that they have on pretty much all of their sales. They usually have a mystery bundle. It is worth what you pay $29. You get at least 3 items worth at least $100. So we've had some good ones. We've had some bad ones. I do have different videos if you guys want to go watch and see what I've received in my other mystery bundles. But let's see what we have in this one here. So it comes packaged with a lot of bubble wrap, a lot of paper, and it always comes in a little clear bag. I'm gonna put it down so you guys don't see what I have because it is a clear bag, and I already see something that I really like, and it's funny how I always laugh at the fact that now that I'm older, more mature, I would like to say, I get excited over completely different things or things that I would have never thought I would get excited for. And let me show you guys what I see. I see some cooking tools. So these are bamboo cooks tools. So it's a set of 5. They're just utensils or little spatulas to cook, but they look like they're cute. So they're color coded. It looks like each handle has a different color, and then it tells you here on the box. So the purple is the slotted spoon, the bluish, tealish, like blue, I don't know what color this would be, is the spoon. Then you have a spatula, then you have a slotted turner, and then you have a turner. So let me take them out so we can see the size. They look, oh, they're actually pretty big. Oh wow, okay. I thought they were gonna be tiny. I thought they were gonna be like little tiny tools, but no, they're like full size. That's awesome. So this is what they look like. I love these. I have little miniature ones. So I actually thought they were going to be like this size. So these, I love using these. I also have a set of these. These are silicone, but I thought that these were going to be this size, but they're not. They're way bigger, and that is totally awesome. I love using these, different materials other than metal, just so they don't scratch your pots and pans. It keeps them lasting way longer. Let's go in. I'm gonna grab this one, and these are super cute. These are little, I guess they would be called hoops. They're from the 2 Bandits, and they are little earrings. They are shaped, I don't know what they're shaped like, but it's a set of 2 earrings, smaller ones and bigger ones. So that is our second item. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one here, and it is from Foxy Bay. It says, "Don't hate, hydrate, replenishing hair masks." Oh, you know what? I actually, because I also have Ipsy subscriptions. If you guys haven't seen those videos, I do have a playlist with the different subscription boxes that I get. But for the July box, I get all 3. But for one of my July boxes, one of my options to get in my box was this. So I think I'm gonna get some of these in one of those boxes also. But these are little packets. Let me show you guys. They're little packets. They almost look like the ones that you pour into your water bottle to make like a drink, but they're little packets, and they are to hydrate your hair, to help if your hair is damaged or dry. This is a mask that you put on your hair, and it's supposed to help give it a little bit more life. And so this is supposed to hydrate both your hair and your scalp. Oh, and it helps prevent dryness and dandruff. I have a really dry scalp, so I'm gonna see if this actually helps my hair. It has argan oil, coconut extract, horse chestnut extract, panthenol provitamin B5, shea butter, biotin, nettle leaf extract, and it's supposed to smooth and control frizz. So I mean, if it works, then it's actually gonna be a good thing that I'm gonna get double of this, especially right now with, I mean, I don't know if my hair guy opened already, but you know, hair places and, you know, barbers places, they just got the okay to open up, but it almost seems like we're gonna start to shut down again, you know, with the whole coronavirus thing. So this, I love doing these at home. It just kind of maintains my hair until I can actually go in and get a full like keratin treatment. This is the last item that we have, and let me see, it's from Ish Beauty. This is an eyeshadow trio. You know what, I always see this Ish brand on sale on the Fabfitfun sales that they have, but I've actually never tried it. So the one that we have here, it says this is an eyeshadow trio. So let's see what colors are inside. So it's a small little box. Ooh, that's pretty. So back here it says Burgundy Eyes, and if you guys see in here, all of the colors in here are burgundy, and it looks like we have a matte and we have a metallic, and this one is almost like pressed metallic. Like, this is a really pretty color. These are really pretty colors. So this one here is the last item from the box. I will put a total box value here with the price that I find online, just because they don't give you any information in here. So I'm going to look online, put the box value so you guys know more or less how much this box was worth. And I honestly think I got some pretty good things that I will definitely use. Earrings always come in handy. You know, you can never have too many. These, like I said, I do these treatments on my hair as, you know, as much as I could, or as often as I should. And then the cooking utensils are awesome. So those were all the items from the mystery bundle. I'm all done. Those were all the items. I'm all done with the items. So that is all from me for today. I will obviously be back really soon with another video, and I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.